What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style OG. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to build a minimal wardrobe. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Michael Bullock, salute. Today's video comes kind of as a result of a challenge from one of you guys out there that asked me in the comment section, Jeff, if you had to build your wardrobe around only 20 items or less, how would you do it? Items that you can definitely wear in almost every situation and every occasion and feel stylish. So consider the challenge accepted. So what I did, whittled my wardrobe down to about 20 items. The items I think I can use and be comfortable in almost any stylish situation I find myself in. I'm talking about outerwear, shoes, pants, dressy stuff, casual. I think I got everything covered. And I want this video not only to serve as a minimalist wardrobe, but also a basic wardrobe if you're starting out that you can build your wardrobe around and expand from. So without further ado, let's get into my suggestions on how to build a minimalist wardrobe. Now let's first start off with the dressiest of items, your suit game. Now there's always some debate. What do you need? A gray suit or a navy suit if you're only gonna have one? Now I think I solved that dilemma by doing what I think a lot of stylish guys do. You grab your gray suit first. Now for my gray suit, I have this kind of medium one, not quite charcoal, from J. Crew Ludlow. A lot of my suits are from there. Fits me well off of the rack, just get them tailored. Now the reason why I'm gonna grab a gray suit first, going to fit almost any situation you find yourself in. I'm talking wedding, job interview, God forbid, funeral. The gray suit will take care of it. Serious enough for your dressier situations. But a trick to this minimalist wardrobe, you also grab a navy blazer. You grab the navy blazer, pair it with a bunch of different things. I'm talking about your trousers, your chinos, even a pair of jeans. Your navy blazer will stand in when you think you want to wear a navy suit. This particular blazer happens to be from Suit Supply. I really love this one. So when it's time to throw on navy, because I don't have a navy suit in the minimal collection, I throw on the navy blazer. Now, of course, if you're gonna have your suits and blazers, you gotta have a dress shirt. And I'm gonna suggest in a minimalist wardrobe, there's two you only really need. Of course, you need your white dress shirt. Your white dress shirt is just a great blank canvas. Every tie, every suit, every blazer is gonna look good with your white dress shirt. So if you're only gonna have one, of course, grab a white dress shirt. But I think to have a well-rounded minimal wardrobe, I also suggest a light blue dress shirt. Light blue dress shirt is money. And one of the reasons why I love the light blue dress shirt really goes with any suit you're gonna wear. And continuing along our lines of our minimal wardrobe, there's a perfect shirt and tie combination that goes with almost every suit. I'm talking about your navy tie and your light blue shirt. This goes with any suit, any blazer, never fails. So of course, I'm telling you, you really only need one tie. This will suit almost any situation. Get yourself a navy tie, throw it on with the light blue shirt, fits every situation. Now next up, let's talk about that shirt you need to grab that straddles the line between dressy and casual. And it's the Workhorse Shirt. Of course, I'm talking about a white Oxford cloth button down. You definitely want to have this shirt, super versatile. Now, like I said, this is the shirt to grab when you have either dressy or casual situations or a little bit of both. You can wear it by itself. You can wear it with the tie. You can wear it with chinos, trousers, a suit. This one here is money. But this is also a shirt you can throw on if you want to wear a dressier shirt but untucked. The white Oxford button down, wear this one with shorts, I mean with anything. So if you're somebody who's not sure whether they're gonna go casual or dressy and you need a shirt to fit any situation, don't hesitate to grab a white Oxford cotton button down. Speaking of white shirts, of course, we gotta have a white t-shirt. I mean, we're talking about an all-American masculine classic. If you're only gonna have one t-shirt, I believe you definitely need a white one. You can layer it, wear it by itself in the summer and the warmer months. Who doesn't have or need a white t-shirt? Now this one happens to be one of my favorites. Nice quick shout out to my man Jose over at Teaching Men's Fashion. Of course, this is an essentials t-shirt. Wear it by itself, layer it under a biker jacket, under a leather jacket, you name it, you need a white t-shirt. But what about those times you need to be casual, but a t-shirt's just a little bit too casual? Of course, we need a polo shirt. And I'm gonna suggest the most versatile polo shirt, a navy shirt. Now I've got this nice, simple, slim-fitting navy polo shirt I grabbed from Target. Probably ran me about 15, 20 bucks, don't remember. But the navy shirt is super versatile. You definitely can wear this one with chinos, under a blazer, with jeans. The navy polo shirt I definitely suggest you grab first. It's gonna fit almost any situation and it matches a bunch of things, a bunch of colors. So a navy polo shirt, definitely a great choice for a minimal wardrobe. So far we've been talking about the tops. Now let's move into the bottoms or pants section of the minimalist wardrobe. And the first pair of pants I think any stylish guy needs, a pair of dark denim. Now your dark denim, these are the jeans you can dress up or dress down. Just a whole bunch of versatile options come with a pair of dark denim. You can wear these with almost anything. I'm talking about you can wear it with a blazer and a tie. You can throw it on with a t-shirt and some sneakers. Loafers, wingtips, any pair of shoes you think you can wear, you can throw them on with this dark denim. Now this pair of dark denim, been rocking for a while. Got these from Uniqlo, love them. So if you're gonna start off with one pair of pants in a minimalist wardrobe and build your wardrobe around, grab yourself a pair of dark denim. But as far as jeans go, I wouldn't just stop with dark denim. I do think you need a wash that's a little more casual, a little more dressed down appropriate. That's why I would go probably with a nice medium wash pair of jeans. I definitely love these in your more casual situations. Throw it on with your sneakers, with your t-shirts or polo. Now these I happen to have from H&M. I believe I grabbed these probably about 20 bucks. Wear these in a bunch of situations. So for the times you're going for a more casual jean look, I would go with the medium wash pair of jeans. Now of course there are gonna be times when you need a pair of pants a little dressier than a pair of jeans. But you don't wanna go all the way up to the suit level. That's why you gotta have a pair of wool trousers. Now wool trousers are just money to me. Throw them on with the blazer. Throw it on with the turtleneck. A nice button-down shirt. Wool trousers fit in a bunch of situations. Just great versatility with these pair. I have this favorite pair of light gray ones I have from J. Crew. I wear all the time. So much so that most of my other trousers stay in the closet. I just love these. I'm probably gonna suggest gray, most versatile color in trousers, in my opinion. But what about those times you gotta straddle the line between jeans and trousers? It's time to go with those most versatile pair of pants in your wardrobe. Chinos, of course. Chinos just look good on everyone. And really, if you're only gonna have one type of pants and you need to fit a bunch of different situations, chinos are probably gonna do the job. Now for me, for my minimal wardrobe, I selected 2 pair of chinos. Of course, first up, you gotta have your classic color. That's your khaki chino. Looks great in a bunch of situations. The neutral of khaki is great to match with a bunch of different colors. However, I don't suggest you stop there. Because of the versatility of the chinos, I think you should have another color to suit different situations. I'm either going to suggest maybe a navy or my other favorite pair, my olive color. The reason why I go with olive, I believe because the navy chinos that I'm going to suggest for a lot of guys, I don't find myself needing as much because I wear a lot of dark denim. The dark denim is dressy enough to fit those situations. I might wear navy chinos. One of my favorite pair, I got these from Target, Goodfellow & Company. Probably around 20 bucks. To me, probably one of the best values when it comes to chinos out there. Definitely check out Target for those chinos. Now let's move on to the ultimate layering piece. For your minimal wardrobe, you definitely need a sweater. I'm gonna suggest the V-neck sweater, either gray or navy. Beauty of the V-neck sweater, once again, versatility. On its own, or of course where it's very valuable, layering that bad boy. Wear it under a blazer, wear it over a shirt. The V-neck sweater just works in so many different situations. Now, of course, I have a bunch of different colors, but mainly I rock my gray. But I decided for my minimal wardrobe, and I had to get it down to 20 pieces, I'm going with my navy V-neck. This one I grabbed from Uniqlo, was around 30, 40 bucks. Nice merino wool. Wear this one all the time. So when it's time to layer, time to throw on that V-neck sweater. Now let's move on to the outerwear. And I was able to break it down to 2 essential pieces. First up, the denim trucker jacket. Now, of course, we're talking about super duper versatile, the ultimate classic. Everybody needs at least one of these. Myself, I have 2 of them, but that didn't fit our minimal breakdown. I selected my darker wash one for the purpose of this video, but you can go with the light wash one if that works for you. I like this dark wash one I got from the Gap because I can dress it up, a little dressier for me. I like to dress up more than the average guy, so I think a dressier trucker jacket fits my look. And we all know how money a trucker jacket is. Wear it over a t-shirt, wear a sweater underneath it. Come on, what situation can you not wear a denim trucker jacket? So if only gonna have one lightweight jacket, I definitely suggest you go with that denim trucker jacket. But what about those times when it's a little too cold for a trucker jacket? I suggest you grab at least one overcoat. A nice well-cut overcoat, money. You can wear this in a variety of situations. I happen to grab, for the purposes of this minimal wardrobe breakdown, my charcoal one. Grab this one from Banana Republic a couple years ago, under 200 bucks. Wear it all the time in a variety of situations. And I'm not just talking about over a suit. I even dress this one down, wear it with sneakers, loafers, jeans. The overcoat works in a lot of situations you guys might not even think of. Now I have a great camel one, of course, in a couple of other colors, but if I'm only gonna choose one, I would go with my charcoal one. I just think it's very versatile, works with a bunch of different colors. So when it's time to bundle up a little bit, but you wanna do it in a stylish way, definitely grab yourself an overcoat. Now it's time to move on to the shoes. And if you're gonna grab one pair of shoes to start with, I suggest a pair of black derbies. Now the reason why I suggest you go with a pair of black derbies, they're serious enough to wear in almost every situation, but the derby, because it's a little less serious than an Oxford, you can dress it down a little bit. Remember, with the minimal wardrobe, we're going for versatility. Derby, much more versatile. Everybody needs a black dress shoe, whether it's for your job interviews, wedding, you name it. And I think the derby is just versatile enough that you can put in a bunch of situations that you can't with an Oxford. So if you're gonna start with one dress shoe, let's go with that black derby. Now, of course, you don't wanna wear a black dress shoe all the time. You need something a little more versatile, and I definitely suggest you go with brown. But more importantly, a brown brogue, or in my case, a wingtip. Now, brown is just a much more versatile color than black. I found myself wearing my brown dress shoes more than any other shoe. And a brogue or wingtip goes with almost any situation less than semi-formal. Wear it with the suit, wear it with jeans, wear it with chinos. Super versatile shoe. These happen to be my personal favorites. Picked these up from Taboot, New York, probably about 6-7 years ago. I rock these over and over. And last but certainly not least, no wardrobe, minimalist or otherwise, is gonna be complete without a pair of sneakers. And if you're only gonna have one pair, I suggest you go with a minimal all-white pair. Now the all-white sneaker, just too versatile to pass up. It's the sneaker you can dress up or dress down. And I love that you can find all-white sneakers in a wide range of different brands and different price points. The pair I wear a whole lot now are these New Republic Curts. Very minimal, very smooth, very easy to dress up. Whether we're talking about with a suit, with a pair of trousers, a pair of chinos, your all-white sneakers, if you're only gonna have one pair, definitely grab them. So if you happen to be counting along by now, you'll notice that was only 19 items. Leaves me a place for one bonus item, a fun item. Now, of course, you know I'm gonna throw in my Jordan 1s. You gotta have at least one splurge or fun piece in your wardrobe. For me, these are it. It's nostalgic, they're fun, wear them all the time. So even with throwing in one fun piece, I was able to keep my minimal wardrobe at 20 pieces. Okay, so there you have it. My guide on how to build that minimal wardrobe, or how you can build a basic wardrobe and build out from there. Let me know in the comment section what pieces you would pick to build your minimal wardrobe. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.